It's for sure now we're going to have a very large 2026. Future R&D budget is going to drive enormous amount of infrastructure. We're going to be, it's very likely this is the largest infrastructure build out in human history. And over the course of the next 15 years, a lot of estimates come in at, $85 trillion. And so we're going to build a lot of infrastructure. AI has gone from these language models to now going into healthcare, into drug discovery, into manufacturing. This last year, we made huge breakthroughs in this area called physical AI, where AI understands the world. It understands causality and the laws of physics, and you can use it for self-driving cars. And of course, we're going to see huge breakthroughs in self-driving cars. It's going to be all over robotic systems of all kinds.
Jensen Huang isn't just the CEO of Nvidia. He's one of the clearest architects of what may become the fourth industrial revolution. In his own words, AI demand has already moved beyond chatbots, beyond text and images, and into the physical world. This is the transition from digital AI to physical AI, systems that understand causality, motion, and the laws of physics, and can act inside factories, warehouses, vehicles, robots, and infrastructure. And the scale of what he's describing is staggering. Jensen estimates that over the next 15 years, the world could see roughly $85 trillion in cumulative infrastructure investment tied to AI. Data centers, power grids, robotics, automation systems, edge devices, and the software that orchestrates them. This is not a software cycle. This is an industrial build-out, potentially the largest in human history. What's critical is where that money flows. Jensen's philosophy is clear. Don't chase AI demos. Invest in the infrastructure rails, the execution layers, the bottlenecks, and the systems that turn intelligence into productivity. In this video, we'll break down 3 stocks that align directly with that worldview. Companies positioned not at the hype layer, but at the point where AI becomes real, measurable, and indispensable. First on the list, and starting with ticker PATH, is UiPath Inc., a company that perfectly captures Jensen Huang's argument that AI must move beyond chatbots and into real-world execution. While most AI headlines focus on language models, UiPath operates where enterprises actually spend money, automating mission-critical business processes across finance, healthcare, government, and industry. UiPath is the dominant player in robotic process automation, controlling an estimated 57% market share, with more than 10,800 customers, including roughly 2/3 of the Fortune 500. Its software robots handle high-volume, repetitive tasks, the operational backbone of modern enterprises. But what makes UiPath especially compelling now is its evolution beyond legacy RPA into agentic AI orchestration. After a difficult post-IPO period, the company has entered a clear turnaround. Revenue growth re-accelerated to 15.9% year-over-year. Quarterly revenue reached $411 million, and annual recurring revenue climbed to approximately $1.8 billion. Management has guided toward first-ever full-year GAAP profitability in FY26, a major psychological and valuation inflection point. Strategically, UiPath's edge lies in combining agentic AI, the reasoning layer, with deterministic RPA, the execution layer, all governed by its Maestro orchestration platform. This matters because pure agentic AI often fails in messy, real-world environments. Gartner expects over 40% of agentic AI projects to be canceled by 2027 due to unclear ROI and risk controls. UiPath solves this by keeping humans in the loop, enforcing rules, and orchestrating AI agents, robots, and people together. The result? Enterprises can automate 70% to 90% of complex workflows, unlocking productivity that chatbots alone cannot deliver. With the RPA market projected to grow at over 24% CAGR, and the agentic AI market potentially exceeding $250 billion by the next decade, UiPath currently captures only a small fraction of its addressable opportunity. In a world where AI spending must translate into efficiency, UiPath is positioning itself as the operating system of enterprise physical AI. Moving from digital workflows to physical execution, the second stock, ticker SYM, is Symbotic Inc., a company that embodies Jensen Huang's definition of physical AI in its purest form. If UiPath automates white-collar processes, Symbotic automates the movement of goods. the literal arteries of the global economy. Symbotic builds fully autonomous warehouse systems, combining AI software, robotics, computer vision, and dense storage architecture. These are not pilot projects. The company reported a backlog of approximately $22.5 billion, revenue of over $2.2 billion in fiscal 2025, and 26% year-over-year growth. Operational systems nearly doubled in a single year, showing customers are scaling deployments, not experimenting. The technological leap comes from Symbotic's next-generation storage architecture, which significantly reduces installation time and capital intensity. Management has highlighted that customers can now combine 2 deployment phases into one, cutting installation time by more than half while increasing throughput. Faster installs mean faster revenue recognition and, over time, margin expansion. Importantly, Symbotic is diversifying beyond retail. The company recently signed Medline, marking entry into healthcare logistics, a vertical with over 500 U.S. distribution centers and extremely high automation requirements. Accuracy, uptime, and reliability are non-negotiable in healthcare, and Symbotic's AI-driven systems are designed for exactly those constraints. Yes, the valuation is demanding and expectations are high, but that reflects the reality of infrastructure leaders early in massive cycles. Jensen Huang has been explicit. AI will require factories, robots, automated warehouses, and physical systems, not just GPUs. Symbotic sits directly on that spend curve. As AI reshapes global supply chains, Symbotic is becoming part of the physical nervous system that converts intelligence into speed, scale, and efficiency. Completing the physical AI stack, the third stock, ticker AMBA, is Ambarella Incorporated, a company that powers AI where decisions must be made instantly, without the cloud. If Nvidia is the brain and Symbotic is the muscle, Ambarella is the vision system, enabling machines to see, understand, and react to the real world in real time. Ambarella designs edge AI system on chips used in smart cameras, robots, drones, industrial systems, and vehicles. These environments are constrained by power, heat, bandwidth, latency, and privacy, exactly where data center AI breaks down. That's why edge AI is accelerating, and Ambarella's financials reflect it. The company posted record quarterly revenue of $108.5 million, up 31% year-over-year, with full-year growth expected between 36% and 38%. Non-GAAP gross margins near 61% underscore its premium positioning. The major catalyst is Ambarella's CV7 platform, built on a 4-nanometer process, capable of handling multi-stream, multi-sensor workloads, including up to 8K video, while consuming 20% less power than prior generations. This directly aligns with where edge AI is heading: richer perception, more sensors, and on-device inference to avoid cloud costs and latency. Ambarella is targeting massive markets. AI-enabled video surveillance alone is projected to grow from $7 billion in 2024 to $29 billion by 2030, while the broader surveillance market could reach $147 billion. Add fleet telematics, robotics, drones, projected to exceed $160 billion by 2030, and automotive perception, and the opportunity compounds rapidly. Crucially, Ambarella is building an ecosystem through its developer zone, increasing platform stickiness and switching costs. Once OEMs design around Ambarella's silicon and software, replacing it becomes expensive and risky. For investors, this is Jensen Huang's philosophy in action. Invest where AI is deployed, not just trained. As physical AI spreads across billions of edge devices, Ambarella stands out as a critical enabler. Jensen Huang's message is unmistakable. The AI revolution is no longer about chatbots. It's about infrastructure, execution, and the physical world. The winners won't just be the biggest models, but the companies that turn intelligence into productivity, efficiency, and motion. UiPath automates enterprise workflows, Symbotic transforms supply chains, and Ambarella powers perception at the edge. Together, they represent different layers of the same thesis: physical AI at scale. No guarantees, no hype, just positioning around where tens of trillions in capital are likely to flow. In the fourth industrial revolution, these are the kinds of companies that deserve a serious place on every long-term investor's radar.